tropical deforestation is proceeding apace in most of the tropics at remarkable rates, on the order of maybe up to 2% per year. Deforestation in the tropics contributes to release of greenhouse gases, and in fact, a very large proportion of the CO2 emissions that have taken place into the atmosphere stem from burning the carbon, the organic matter that it was in forests in the tropics. One starts thinking about what else happens when deforestation takes place, and there's a whole bunch of other kinds of effects. And one of them is the fact that when you remove forest cover, you allow precipitation to sort of go through the landscape from land to where? Down gradient, down slope towards the shorelines. That water, much like the blood in our system, carries things. And what it carries has to do with nutrients, has to do with sediments. And those are things that make a big difference to coastal environments. The reason that we were excited about the LGL site is that it's owing to Jim Pegasi's purchase of the land adjoining his island. He also purchased the part of the mainland, and that part that's purchased is actually entirely forested. So it gives us a chance to say, compare deforested watersheds that empty into mangroves to forested watersheds that empty into mangroves. Basically, a control on the impact of deforestation. And the reason we were excited about that is that there are not many places in the tropics where you can actually find entirely forested watersheds remaining. And that's one of the attractions about LJL.